Hello my friends, this is Hani Amiri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. I have put together this amazing information from BestifyMe app. I hope you'll enjoy it. Today I'm gonna speak about the best ways to make 2020 the best year of your life. So let's get started. New year, new me. The most copy-pasted, posted, and spoken mantra during end-of-year discussion, right? There is nothing wrong with having a positive outlook, especially as the calendar draws down to its end. Some people argue that a new year is just a new day, a change in date, nothing spectacular. However, don't agree with this assessment. For us, the beginning of year provides a golden opportunity to let go of those things we believe holds us back, cause us pain. In truth, it is a symbolic gesture, but that does not make it any less true, important, or a big deal. Getting a positive makeover, no matter the when, is always a good idea. These ways are: Take calculated risks. In order to make it big, you may have to take a leap of faith. You can take risk after ending your chances as much as possible, doing all you can to reduce the possibility of failure. You cannot make strides if you remain in your comfort zone. Have you been thinking of starting a YouTube channel? Then start. Give it your best shot as 2020 beeps around the corner. Make a priority list. How about a proper visualization of your goals this year? Create a list of achievable goals that you want to have accomplished by year end. Try as much as possible to keep it small in order to be able to focus, track your progress easily, and not have to overstretch your resources. Put yourself first. Make yourself a priority in 2020. When people get on your nerve or do things that are not in line with principles you hold dear, tell them. Do not shrink or let yourself be pushed aside. It is fine to be on good terms with people, but not if you are being hurt in the process. Learn basic budgeting skills. In 2020, you need to pay better attention to your finance. You should learn more towards saving and investing than on acquisition. To do this, you need to work on acquiring budgeting skills that allow you to better allocate your money, know how liquid you are, track your expenses, and make projections and future plans. No compromise on bedtime. Workaholic or not, there is absolutely no excuse when it comes to getting the right amount of sleep time. By sleeping right, you help your body better resist diseases such as hypertension and obesity. Have fun. Don't spend all your free time indoor, binge watching Netflix. Find and try out ways to have outdoor fun with your friends, lover, and family. Be uncomfortable. If you want amazing result in your professional life, you need to step out of your comfort zone. Start with learning a new skills and master it like a boss. Embrace the negative experience. How would you value the happy moments if you deny your negative experiences? More than anything in this world, the negative experience offer opportunities to learn. This is a part of the growing process. Leave toxic thoughts behind. The new year gives you a chance to get a fresh start. Leave everything behind that has given you stress, trauma, and emotional issues. Start your 2020 by letting as much baggage as possible go. Meet new people. No matter if you end up working a 9 to 5 job or open a business in your name, networking is important. Besides, new people offer us new perspectives on life. Value your time. Yes, we all have our fair share of lazy days, but we have to make sure that we make the most of our time. Try to create a balanced personal and professional life. Read more. Books are not boring. They are troves of knowledge and wisdom. They provide insight you might not have received otherwise. I know our schedules are busy, but with apps like Kindle, Script, etc., you can download audio versions on the books you want and listen on the go. Spend quality time with your loved ones. Those who love us and whom we love back deserve our time. From partners to friends and to family members, spend 2020 strengthening your bond and making as many beautiful memories as you can. And finally, count your blessing. Before the year ends, make sure to give a happy tribute to this wonderful year. Text your friends, exchange some words of love, and most importantly, count your blessing. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Please subscribe, share, and comment. And finally, I'm wishing you all very happy and successful 2020.